This is a demo of the Flic Bluetooth buttons. Since they're Bluetooth, they need a smartphone to work through. I also have a remote for a TV here, just to show that we can find that. Most of the functions we're going to show here can be done just with the Flic buttons and the Bluetooth phone itself. Some which are a little harder, you actually need to, in this case I'm using Alexa to find the remote and to control the door. So let's start off with a simple one.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Let's start off with a simple one of just calling the daughter if you feel you need a call back. So this sends a text off to the daughter.
I'm sending a text to Fran asking her to call you.
And in this case, Fran's phone will be here, even though it could send to a different number. And we should see the text coming through. There it is. So that's pretty easy. That's all done by that. Another one would be to control a light through a smart light. Some of the smart lights you don't need hubs, and that's what we're doing in this case.
I'm controlling the light.
And you can't see the light, but you can see its effect here.
I'm controlling the light.
Just a standard light over there. The other one you might want to do is they might have misplaced their phone. So they can find their phone like this.
Hey, I'm over here. Right here. Come and get me.
And
I'm not lost. I'm waiting. Is
pretty
anybody going
attention-getting.
to come over here? I'm getting lonesome.
Okay, thank you. The other things that we can do here is to find the remote. Now with this one, we still need the phone to talk to the Bluetooth buttons, but we have some Alexa units, some Echo units here that are going to invoke a skill, a tile skill, to find this remote.
I'm finding your remote.
Echo. Ask Tile to find my remote.
And you could hear that in the background there.
I can't connect to your remote right now. I know this isn't what you
There it goes. You can see it going.
far away from your remote or your phone is
Okay.
Bluetooth turned on.
Okay, the last one is to control the door. It's a little hard to show that here in my setup, but it's the same kind of thing. It's going to, the Bluetooth button goes through the phone, talks out to Alexa, and controls the door lock. So that's about it. It's a pretty simple little setup here. Small buttons, very light. And thanks.